In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files in Sejda. Now, the first thing you have to do, either on the website or inside your desktop app, if you're using that, you want to click on Merge up top. And from here, you want to click on Upload PDF and Image Files. And then you want to select multiple files you want to merge. So I'm going to click on this one, hold down my Control key on my keyboard, and click on this one as well, and this one too. Then I'm going to click on Open, and there we go. Here you have either the Files view or the Pages view, which is very convenient. And you could go to Files view, where you can basically add the different files, pages, or reorder by file names, last modified, etc. And you can go ahead and basically change the order of the files, and it's going to then be merged in this order. Now, of course, if you go to Pages view, this is very convenient. You could also set how the pages, of course, are going to be. So like this, you could go ahead and basically change anything within those PDFs, which is very, very cool. And then when you're ready, you can just click on Merge PDF Files at the bottom, wait for a few seconds, it's going to merge, and then you'll be able to download your merged file onto your computer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.